Hello, this is Dr. Cole Woolley, and this lesson is called Say No to Fragranced Laundry and Body Care Products. So, most of us are trying to seek for an all-natural lifestyle. That includes the choices we make about the products that we use and the fragrances they contain. So we want to have fragrance-free or synthetic fragrance-free products. Buying unscented products is the best thing so that we can add essential oils to them. We can tailor the fragrance of our own products so they're all natural. This includes things like detergent and dryer products. We can control that. It also means we can control the hair care products and our skin care products using essential oils. People who buy commercial products for their fragrance, like choosing a bottle of shampoo because, oh, this one smells good, it must be great. Well, that's the worst way to choose a product. Instead, a product should be chosen by how effective it is and how safe it is. So using essential oils is a safe choice. So major brands create fragrance products because people love them. They are fragrance lovers. You can find these synthetic fragrances in laundry detergents, laundry crystals, dryer sheets. You can find them in hair care products, in shampoos and conditioners, skincare lotions, skincare creams, eye lotions and serums, also lip balms. So what is the risk associated with these? It's definitely significant, and we should be able to not only worry about it for our own household, but also for our friends and neighbors. So I recommend that you beware of laundry fragrances. These are laundry fragrances that contain 30 to 60 synthetic fragrance chemicals and their associated toxic byproducts and the risks associated with them. And on the label, they either say nothing about it. Many laundry products don't say the word fragrance, some of them do. But all these other products, the hair care, skin care products, when you look at the label, it'll say one word: fragrance, parfum, or perfume, and they all represent that toxic risk associated with 30 to 60 synthetic fragrance chemicals. Now you'll find them in all the laundry products. The crystals that are used to make clothes smell even more, the wrinkle sprays, and the dryer sheets. Watch out for them. Now, what happens is people, when they use these synthetic fragrances, they are actually wearing toxicity. They're wearing a toxic risk wherever they go, and whoever they meet, they're affecting by this toxic risk. So other people are inhaling the same fragrances, and they might not like that fragrance, but they're associated with it because they're close to you. Why put others at risk? Why put your family at risk? Why put yourself at risk for respiratory problems, for allergies, for sinus problems, for immune system problems, and long-term health problems? So hair care products also have the same 30 to 60 synthetic fragrance blend that's just described by one word: fragrance or perfume. And these provide a toxic risk to you. It's in the shampoos, it's in the hair conditioners, it's also in detanglers, hair gels, styling gels, lotions, and sprays. You can't get away from them if you're shopping at the store and shopping name brands. So your skincare products have the same associated fragrance on the back of their label. That one word, fragrance, means 30 to 60 synthetic fragrance chemicals are in this blend, and that's what creates the aroma that you love. Well, this is a risk, and it's found in all body creams and lotions. It's found in facial creams, facial eye serums and eye creams, and all moisturizers. Why put yourself at risk? So why wear the toxicity with synthetic fragrance skincare products? Why? You're wearing it wherever you go. And you put others at risk because the synthetic fragrances from your skin go into the air around you and others smell these chemicals and it puts them at risk. It puts them at respiratory risk, maybe allergies, they might sneeze, they might have to blow their nose, their respiratory problems might be associated with them. Most likely, the biggest risk is to you and your family. So why do that? I suggest you say yes to unfragranced, to fragrance-free products, to products that say the essential oils on the label. If you'll say yes to this and say no to the others, that's great. Go for these products. Or if you have an unscented or fragrance-free product, just add drops of essential oil to the lotion, to the shampoo, to the conditioner, to the laundry product until you feel like this smells good to me and I like it. You can also say yes to your spouse if he or she likes a certain aroma. Let's say you like floral essential oils and maybe he likes woody essential oils. And then somebody else likes jasmine scented laundry. So you can use a laundry wool ball like this and use essential oils in the dryer to create the all-natural scent that each person in the household wants. Now, that's saying yes to an all-natural lifestyle. This lesson has been all about saying no to synthetic fragrance laundry, body, hair care, and skincare products. And we've learned that they all contain one word on the label, but that one word represents 30 to 60 synthetic fragrances, their associated synthetic byproducts, and the toxic risks that's associated with them, not only for you, your family, and those around you. So say yes and replace those with all natural, genuine grade essential oils and put them into the products that are fragrance free or byproducts that have totally all natural, high quality, genuine grade essential oils in them. That's the best way to follow your choice of an all natural lifestyle. Remember, it's just a drop or two for a better you.